Hey stock and options traders, welcome back to the channel where your success is my top priority. If you don't already know, my name is Karl Domm and I'm the only instructor on YouTube that has shared my P&L with a daily balance since August of 2019, which includes every market environment since then: a bull market, sideways, grind down, crash market. No one else has shown their real P&L in all market environments. In this video, I'm going to take you on a journey through my trading accounts, showcasing my actual P&L, or net liquidation, for the month of August 2023. For over 29 years, I've been mastering the art of online stock and options trading, and now I want to share my expertise with you. If you're here to learn and want to determine the worth of a stock or options course, then make sure to hit the subscribe button. My goal is to revolutionize this industry and bring transparency to the forefront. I believe that if an instructor makes promises when selling a course, they should prove their credibility by sharing their P&L. So far, I believe I've influenced a few others to share their P&L. Not only that, but they should share the volatility of their account's P&L. It's important to understand how much the account fluctuates in value, which means how much did the account value move up or down. If your account made a 20% return, but it's down 60% at one point, then the 20% return is not really a good return on risk. Sharing the P&L volatility is important because the real truth lies in risk-adjusted returns. And that's why I share my real P&L and my daily moves in my accounts so you can see the real results for yourself. Now, I wouldn't buy a course from someone who doesn't share their P&L, and I hope you feel the same way. And that's why I'm proud to say that in this video, next thing I'm going to do is take you through my real P&L for the month of August 2023. So let's get started. Are you ready for some real trading results? I've got 4 separate trading systems running in 4 separate accounts, and I'm eager to share the results with you. But before we dive in, let's take a quick look at what the market did in August of 2023. And this will give a better understanding of what the challenges my systems faced over the last month. Now, as a premium selling options trader, I categorize market moves into 4 categories: the rising bull, the sideways, the grind down, and the crash market. So let's get into what happened this month. Looking at the market represented by SPX, the S&P 500, the S&P 500 finally had a drawdown month, and it's been on a bull run since March of this year. That's 5 consecutive up months in a row. And the streak was finally broken with the market down. Let's see. We ended here. We started here. The market was down about 1.75% in the month of August. And this month could almost be categorized as a sideways market, but it was down over 1.5%. So I'll call it a slight grind down market. However, let's take a look at something here. I would note that it did go down over 5.5% at one point. Let's take a look at the VIX. What did the volatility do? You can see right now it's at 13.57. The VIX is not very high at all. Let's see what it did this month. Let's see, we started about here at about 13.62. Oh, you can see it rose all the way up to 18, almost 19. And then, because the market was down 5.5%, and then it just came all the way back down and basically ended flat, right? So there was probably some premium sellers that were panicking a little bit over here, kind of, they sold something and the price and the value of the things they sold went up in value. But in the end, if they held, they probably did just fine, because the volatility came all the way back down. So there you have it for the month of August for 2023. The truth is, the market's direction is unpredictable. It can go up, it can go down. That's why it's always a good idea to have a non-directional system in your portfolio, so you can eventually be profitable no matter which way the market moves. Welcome to the world of level 5 trading, where the rules are set in stone and profitability is proven. My proprietary trading systems are designed to make money no matter what the market environment, and they are the only ones of their kind. With a focus on level 5 trading, you can bypass all the lower levels 1 through 4 and go straight to the top level without having to spend years learning and mastering lower level trade systems. But don't take my word for it. I've taken over 30 online stock and options courses from YouTube instructors, and not one of them offered level 5 trading systems. In fact, I've yet to see proof that a level 1 through 4 system is consistently profitable in all 4 market environments. So if you're looking for the real deal, you've come to the right place. Join me in this journey and witness the power of level 5 trading for yourself. And if you come across any other instructors who share their P&L, be sure to let me know in the comments below. I'm always looking for instructors with real results and real portfolio P&L being shown, and I am not talking about spreadsheets. So if you're ready to see my real P&L for the month of August, let's dive in. So next, I will get to my 4 separate trading systems. The trading systems are, number 1, the safe wheel, number 2, the earnings edge, number 3, the premier level 5, and 4th, the synthetic dragon. First, the safe wheel strategy. Now, this is a strategy that I trade right in front of you every Monday morning at 7:15 a.m. Pacific time, and I do a live stream and trade the account live so you can see everything that happens. I also answer any and all questions about the system in order to help other people learn it. The easiest way to find the live stream is to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Here are the results for the safe wheel for August 2023. Okay, looking at the safe wheel for August. You can see here we started the account with $6,369, and you can see it kind of went up, down, got down a couple $100, maybe down around 2 or 3% for the month, then kind of made its way back up, and we're at $6,375. So let's do a little bit of math on that. So we ended with 63.75, and we started with 63.69. 69, barely did anything, made $6. So basically broke even. It's not even worth doing a percentage on that. So broke even for the month of August 2023 for the safe wheel. Second, I trade my earnings edge system. This system is based on trading certain stocks coming into earnings. The goal is to turn a small account into a large account. This system has some volatility, so I would start small with a $5,000 account. What I like about this trade is that it's long gamma, which creates asymmetry because it's long gamma on the upside and the downside. So it's kind of like hoping for a large move, either up or down. And the more it moves, the more profitable the trade becomes. In August, with the earnings edge, I traded 2 stocks, Home Depot and Baidu. Home Depot, I made $60. I call that a break even. And Baidu, I made $480. So that was a win. I started this account with $5,000, and I look to make 1 trade a week when earnings trades are available. And my goal is to make large profits with smaller risk. And since my upgrade in October 2022, the results are a record of 14 wins, 12 losses, and 5 break evens. And that's a win rate of around 50%, with the average loss of minus $443 and the average win $945. And since inception in January of 2022, my results are that I'm approximately up 93.78%. And this includes paying all the commissions. After paying commissions, I'm up that much. And I recently lowered the price of the alert service to only $149 a month. I've also recently launched the Earnings Edge course, so you could trade this on your own. Currently, the cart's closed to buy the course, but you can get on a wait list. Just use the link below. So let's dive into the real P&L for August for 2023 for the Earnings Edge. Okay, looking at the Earnings Edge for August, I started the account with $9,479 and ended it. You can see there wasn't any trades made here in the last week or so at $9,690. So it had a little bit of volatility. We come down to 9,200, 9,150. So we were down, $500 maybe? Well, there is some volatility with this, so that's not unexpected with this trade. Let's do a little bit of math. Ended with 96.90, 96.90. And we started with 94.79. So made $211 divided by 94.79. And up about 2.2%, which is not bad. I mean, it's really kind of a break even for this system. There's a lot more volatility typically in this system. Now, third, I trade my Premier Level 5 system. After designing various systems for over 29 years, I finally developed this system in 2022 as a culmination of my efforts, and here is the Premier Level 5 results for August 2023. Okay, looking at the Premier Level 5 for August 2023, these numbers are never accurate because we're trading options on futures and it's just never accurate. This number is pretty accurate right here, 36,212. It's very accurate if you take away $25. Then the account ended with $36,187. And it started with $34,700. So I'll do a little bit of math here. 36,187 minus 34,700. So made $1,487. Let's see what the percent is on 34,700. Did 4.29%. 4.29% for the month of August for the Premier Level 5. The Premier Level 5 system is designed to capitalize on all market environments. And looking back, I started trading it live, showing my account with 100% transparency on the results since April 8th, 2022. And the Premier Level 5 is up 20.94%, and this includes paying all commissions, and it has an approximate max drawdown of around 5%. And this is while the S&P is only up about 10.2% with a max drawdown of 22%. And that is outperformance of around 10% with only 1/4 the drawdowns. That is superior risk-adjusted returns. Remember, outperforming isn't just about achieving a higher percentage of returns. It's about considering the amount of risk you're taking. Any expert in the field will emphasize the importance of risk-adjusted returns. Now, there are two ways to unlock the secrets of the Premier Level 5 trade system. Number one, the alerts program, which will no longer be available soon. That's going to go away soon, and it involves my guidance to navigate through the trade. However, certain aspects of the trade plan will not be disclosed. The second way is the Premier Level 5 Masterclass program, where I teach every detail until you can trade it on your own. At the moment, this program is not accepting new participants. However, there is a link in the description where you can get on the waiting list. This will give you the chance to secure your spot and qualify for learning about this system, as I'm limited in the amount of students I can teach. This system requires only a small time commitment, 15 to 30 minutes a week to manage the portfolio. The minimum recommended capital is $30,000. It can be traded with as little as $15,000, but the commissions kind of overcome the trade at that point. And the trade requires span margin. So don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your trading game. See a link in the description for the wait list and for the alerts for the PL5, Premier Level 5. Next, I will get into my fourth account, the Synthetic Dragon. And if you've been on my channel since 2019, you've watched me trade this system starting with $110,000 and turn it into $203,000. Then I moved the money into my managed fund, but now I brought back the trade. I brought it back to my channel as of April 1st, 2023, and I started the account with $200,000. This trade is similar to the Premier Level 5, but it's a little more conservative, and I trade this system with a higher amount of capital. And this is where I have a majority of my personal net worth. And this system is for people with the ability to use portfolio margin, which means usually that they have over $100,000 to invest. So here are the results for the Synthetic Dragon for August of 2023. Now looking at the Synthetic Dragon for August of 2023, we started this account with $196,873 in the beginning of August. And at the end, we ended with $204,492. And you can see this pretty much just went straight up. We had that 5% pullback in the middle of the month. That didn't affect this thing. It just kept going up. Let's do a little bit of math, see how that turned out. So we ended with 204,492. And we started with 196,873. So it made $7,619. Let's see what kind of percent that is on 196,873. Looks like about a 3.87% return for the Synthetic Dragon for August of 2023 in this slight grind down environment. Managing a portfolio for the Synthetic Dragon trade requires only a modest time commitment of 15 to 30 minutes a week. The trade demands span or portfolio margin and a minimum recommended capital of $100,000. Now, I provide visibility into the results of this trade by sharing my P&L, and I'm presently conducting a mastermind session where I reveal all aspects of the trade, allowing individuals to trade it on their own. I'm considering starting another mastermind in the future, but there are no certain plans. For those with a smaller account, I offer two options. The Safe Wheel, which you can follow for free on my live streams, or you can get the course if you want to fast track it. Also, I have the Earnings Edge alert or course. Course is currently closed, which is designed with some risk but high reward. Check the link in the description for more information on the Premier Level 5, on the Earnings Edge, and the Safe Wheel.